Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select import button. Select a shape. Crop the shape. Remove the background. Select the erase color. Copy the shape. Select the shape. Change the color. Select another shape. Save the shape. Select the save option. Remove the color white. Select the erase color. Adjust the shape. Ready shape. Copy the shape. Select the text edit. Adjust the shape. Adjust the shape of fruit. Save the shape. Adjust the save information. Copy the shape. Change the background color. Adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.